This man is test flying a jetpack in 1969. Robert Corder was a pilot for Bell Aerosystems, a company that developed the first ever jetpack. Robert was one of the few people able to operate it, and it was very difficult and dangerous to use. The jetpack could fly up to 60 miles per hour and reach heights of 300 feet, but it could only fly for about 20 seconds before running out of fuel. This driver is showing off his new genius invention, a dashboard coffee maker. The machine held enough water for 3 cups of coffee and could also be used for preparing soups, boiling eggs, and heating water. The coffee maker was powered by the car's generator. This machine may look like a spaceship, but can you guess what it actually is? This is the lawn mower of the future, made in 1957. A mower equipped with an air conditioning system, a comfortable seat, a radio telephone, and even a cooler for keeping your drinks cold on warm summer days. The machine was capable of mowing the lawn, weeding, fertilizing, spraying for insects, plowing snow, and even serving as a golf cart. This is the glow-in-the-dark tires, which was introduced to the public in 1961. A chemist at Goodyear thought it would be a good idea to illuminate the tires for better visibility. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. This is a baby cage, invented in 1922. Since a lot of people in the big cities didn't have backyards, they would put their babies in this cage to expose them to fresh air and sunlight. It was believed that infants could benefit from cold temperatures and help strengthening their immune system. In 1950, Ted Spence demonstrated the new Hairline Brush to the world. The brush was made to fit a bald head's shape. It had a pad to gently massage the exposed scalp on the top and a brush on the side. Ever wondered how car fumes and smoke affect your eyes? This science experiment from 1949 tried to figure out exactly that. In this photo, scientist Betty Cook is wearing a special helmet filled with a tiny bit of smog to see how it affected her eyes. The goggles are counting how many times she blinks. The more she blinks, the more the smog were bothering her eyes. Apple Vision Pro in 1963? Inventor Hugo Gernsback presented a prototype of his brand new TV glasses. When describing the device, Gernsback said, "The user can take them out of his pocket anywhere, slip them on, flip a switch, and turn to his favorite station." Was this man really ahead of his time? This is a bicycle for the whole family. The 2-story bike, known as Goofy Bike, was made in 1939. The bicycle includes 4 seats and even a sewing machine for the wife. Was this genius or stupid? You would probably think gas masks were for humans only. During the 40s, gas masks for horses were developed as a protective measure during World War II. The gas masks were designed to cover the horse's head to shield them from potential chemicals. The gas mask was made of rubberized fabric and had glass eyepieces for visibility. This is the double ender, and it is exactly what it looks like. This genius invention let you share a pipe with a friend. Do you think this was a good idea? This is Carol Smith demonstrating a portable television in 1963. The TV can be raised or lowered to any height with the new stand. The stand was designed to hold a 19-inch TV and came with chains and hooks to carry the set. This is a photo of a waterproof car in 1952. Karl Bayer was testing out the new car that he developed in Berlin. Bayer had redesigned the construction of the vehicle, so almost every part of the car were inside the body. This is a Krummlauf, a gun developed by Germany in 1943. The idea was simple. They wanted to find a way to change the course of bullets, allowing the Germans to shoot around corners while hiding safely behind the wall. This is a portable sauna from 1962. You can guess where it was designed? Obviously the sauna capital of the world, Finland. It could fit 1 person and was advertised to the upper class to use during travels. A fun fact about Finland: they have 3.3 million saunas and only 5.5 million people living there. That means they have 0.6 saunas per person. This is a photo of a car elevator taken in Chicago in 1932. The space-saving garage could hold up to 48 cars. The drivers would park their cars in the elevator, and the car would be lifted up. This technology is actually in use around the world to this day. This is an Amphibious Cycle from 1932. The man in the photo is demonstrating a bicycle that could be used both for land and for water. The bike uses 6 air-filled floats. 2 of them were the wheels, while the other 4 were lowered for support while cycling on water. This photo is from 1936, and it shows a multi-wheeled off-road vehicle. The vehicle could drive in angles up to 65 degrees. It could also drive up to 65 kilometers an hour and was originally created in England. These glasses let you read while lying down. In 1936, the Hamblin Glasses was created, and it was a simple concept that gave you the opportunity to lie down and relax while still being able to read. By using mirrors, you could easily read the text in a comfortable position without straining your neck. The Ice Cube mask from 1947 was designed to keep actresses looking fresh, often used to beat hangovers from the night before recording. The invention was supposed to help with redness, swelling, and alcohol bloating in the face. The company behind it was Max Factor, still a large company to this day. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would also like to thank our beloved patrons for supporting us.